First, setting the paper for this work. Then, use the radial guidelines. Don't forget to activate the drawing assist. You can watch how to use guidelines tools on my previous video. For the brush, I use the watermark outline from Painting Brush almost at the entire video. For perfect circle, you have to hold it for a few seconds, then adjust as you want before release it. I erase the inner of each circle so I can drag and fill the color in one step. Don't forget to add new layer. It'll help you work with shading or lighting of the object. Use the Gaussian blur for instant blur. Let's just skip this. To blur the object, you can also use the smudge tools. Then brush all over the object you want to blur. Now, I want to add some shades for the petals to make it more vibrant. I usually add more layer, instead draw in the same layer to prevent something I don't want. Add shades on the other part too. Use Alpha Lock to color the object without worry it will be out of the line. If it happens, you have to rearrange position of the layer. Here are some tips. Swipe right layers, you want to make it into a group. Then click picture a folder with a plus sign on it, and we are done.